All right, welcome back to the KSR YouTube channel. Today we're going to the track with Mullet. There, you can see me now. Leaving the shop, headed over to Bradenton Motorsports Park. We're gonna see how she does on some alcohol fuel. If you didn't see the previous dyno video, knocked down 1,515 rear wheel horsepower on 29 pounds of boost. Pretty happy with those numbers. Let's take it to the track and see what that does at the racetrack. All right, well, while you're here, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We do a bunch of stuff, not only with Cletus, but we've got a bunch of other builds in the shop. About to finish up Rick's 4th gen Camaro that you'll see in tomorrow's video. But tonight we're at the track with Cletus. And also remind you at winwithksr.com, we've got merch, but actually right now I've got a Freedom Factory hat on. But we've got some KSR hats, KSR shirts, lanyards, stickers, all kinds of stuff. We have some new stuff coming that I think some of you guys are gonna like. Our Give Me All the Data shirt is doing really well, so appreciate everybody that's buying that. Put a picture down in, let's see, I think this corner over here for you. But yeah, let's get to the track and see what we can do with this thing and see how fast we can make it go. All right, here we go. It's pretty much seamless, which is just awesome.
That's so cool.
I love Holly.
I do too. Holly and mine.
Cool, so a little spool check just to get us started. I had backed everything down from the previous tune because like we found on the dyno, the dome pressure targets we had before are now making more boost than what we had before. So we're gonna just see how everything works. See if we can get this thing spiced up and have a new best increment for every increment on the track by the time we're done today. So let's get this show started. All right, so first pass is, we're talking about just doing a 60-foot shot. I knocked all the boost out of it. Not all the boost out of it, but I knocked it back pretty hard with the idea that I didn't want to go up and just knock the tires off first round, our first attempt. Thought was to knock it all down, get some data on what the car wants for the new alcohol power. It's playing in just a 60 foot and then back up. We'll still get a slip, right? Just wait up. Okay. A little past 60 foot, buddy. It seemed like it took off pretty good though. 123 short time.
I got him putting it on the boards.
That's fine.
Not bad first rep.
Do you have the app? Because it's on the app, but we know what it ran.
I've never been real good at letting off early. What did it go?
123 to 60 foot.
Hey!
First pass.
That's pretty good.
I think that's its best ever, right?
I think that's its best 60 foot it's ever done.
Yeah.
Should have stayed in it. It felt kind of lazy once it got up.
Yeah, there's no boost in it out the back, so good data.
It felt real good at 330. Like, real good. So.
We'll see what that is.
Hey, not bad. What did it go to the 330?
I didn't get that number, but it popped the 123 up on the scoreboard.
So no slip at all. We got to look it up on our.
It says it's on the app, yeah.
Oh, frick. All right.
All right, so I turned the launch up 100 RPM. Now in the past, the car struggled with getting off the starting line, but I feel like we made some changes that have helped the car get off the starting line. So we might as well learn something on a track rental. And if we spin, we spin. And then we'll back it back down and try again. Yeah, left radial, he said. So 100 more on the launch, brought the boost in a little bit quicker. We made it a one flat adjustment in the anti-roll bar to try and just point it just a touch straighter. But I think we might be onto something here. Look good. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Hey, Dougie. What's up, dude? How you doing?
How are you?
What did,
123.
123? Dang it.
123?
Yeah, it's on the end. I think it's a pedal.
I think you pedaled it? It could have been...
123 with a 1, 317.
Wheelie sensor? Could have been the wheelie sensor. 123, 317. Yeah. Yeah. That...
No, pretty close.
Your passes where it went 741 was a 323 to the 330. You just went 317.
Oh,
So
that's good.
yeah.
Wow, all right.
Yeah. Felt a little better. Took the RPM.
I really want to go all the way.
All right, we got a special treat aside from Mullet. Dougie's got the Nova. This is Doug from Motion Raceworks. If you guys didn't know that, little street car they put together. That thing 22, 123. That thing left pretty good for a hard radial.
Yeah, I got you. I think he's only making one.
That was cool. That's a nice little street car. I think he was out of the throttle too.
Yeah.
Like I could hear something happening. Nice pass, Doug. All right, so this pass, we took a few shots at some things. Another 100 RPM, another 2 flats on the anti-roll bar, tie tweaking on that. And then what else did we do? A little bit more timing, a little bit more boost earlier.
3 more clicks of tightening the
oh yeah, we tightened up the front extension a little bit because we still feel like it's coming up a little fast. If this goes down, I think he's probably gonna stay in it. I would guess something in the low 730s. Maybe something in the 720s. We'll see. So hopefully the track holds it. Excited to see what it does. back in a minute. There goes Doug again. Made a couple of changes to put the RPM back out of it. Did a little bit of track change. Ooh, Doug just went at 1093. Again. He said he was going to run it out. I'm actually disappointed. All right, so that was a 121 315. New best 330 for the car. Time to look at that data and see where it left the starting line at, because he said he left before it built full boost. So I'm going to make sure the next run leaves at that boost, and then we're going to just try ramping it in faster. Again, and I think he's going to send it on through if it stays hooked up to 100 feet. I got pretty aggressive with it early, but little changes here. We capped the boost. The last pass launched at 7 pounds of boost, and so that's where I capped the timing retard that Nate put in it for helping the spool. So hopefully we're gonna make a good pass here. That works, and it doesn't, but it works.
Dang. Fucking moving, dude. It was all tuned up. Oh yeah. They pulled the front wheels. Oh, I love it.
Yay, 724. Frustrating and exciting all at the same time, because we needed to get off the starting line every time. So we just need to make it duplicate what it just did there on the starting line so that we can do that every time.
Well, I didn't know it ran. Uh, 471, 724 at 191. Oh! Holy crap, 471 in the 8th, 155.
It is, I heard something and I thought it wasn't happy in the second
That
eighth.
mile an hour I bet would be like 194 because it laid over right at the top.
Yeah, I heard it.
724. So it went from a 741 to a 724.
We were being too aggressive. Like, we were being too aggressive because we backed it down and it went faster than it's gone all night.
I know. I don't think it was like, because this engine can hold that power.
Yeah.
So I think we just leaned on it too early before we had our ducks in a row, which I will admit, I pressured Kevin to do it.
Well, I think too, it's a good idea to re-torque cylinder heads, and I don't think they've ever been re-torqued.
Yeah, and we never checked the spark plugs.
Yeah, we didn't check spark plugs.
We brought them, but we never did it.
But it's good and bad. I mean,
yeah, usually, just speaking from experience, because I lifted the heads on these motors a couple times, it's usually pretty easy to fix it.
Yeah,
Fresh head gasket. Problem is with these head gaskets, if they do lift a little bit, they'll squeeze water out, and then you just have to change out the gasket, and they're good to go. So we should be good for World Cup.
Yeah, oh yeah.
We just need to get our ducks in a row.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe we're too...
Dude, 471 to the 8th is ripping.
471, dude.
155.
It let off right before the end.
Really?
So. Curious to see what the G's were, because it was ripping, dude. 312 to the 330, 120, 160
that was
foot.
its best everything.
If we got just half a tenth off the 60 foot, if it went like a 115, which it should be able to do.
Yeah. We still got some figuring out to do there.
460s in the 8th. And then it's going to be going.
If it goes 460 flat, that's in the 6s.
All right, well, it sucks that the car's broke. Thank you for Kevin for coming down. Thanks Ty for helping with the old 4-link. Guys, line it off there. Thanks for watching Do It For Dale. We'll freaking see you later. At least it went the best ever.
Well, new best pass ever, so we accomplished that goal. But unfortunately, we got a head gasket. So.
Oh, Kevin, watch out!
Oh, we got a dealer.
Brother, get out of here. I gotta tell you about your used car insurance. I mean, what do you mean?
Your extended car warranty.
Extended car warranty. All right, let's leave him alone. He's like, shit.
But yeah, so we accomplished one goal, but unfortunately we got a head gasket. 471 at 155 to the 8th is cooking along pretty good.
As far as I'm concerned, head gasket every couple months.
That's the first ever on Mullet. So
issue ever on this car.
yeah. So get her fixed up, load it up for World Cup, see what we can do up there. All right, well, we tugged her back home. They're gonna snatch the heads off of it, get a set of MLS head gaskets, or MLX head gaskets, I think, for it. Torque them cylinder heads down good, and we're going 685 at World Cup. Woo! Ooh, that's a bold prediction, but the air's gonna be freaking killer up there.
Yeah. Now we know we have a good tune-up. Well, I don't know. Never know.
Never know.
In the streets of Florida. All right, brother. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, man. Guess we'll see you next time, and we'll see you guys next time.
World Cup.